So tonight we're in Ottawa on vacation. This is like day 6 or 7, and we're doing a video in their late night party street. This is called Elgin Street. It's like how Toronto has Yorkville, Montreal has Rue Montreal. So this is like the happening street. So check out some cars and restaurants. In Toronto we got a lot of G-Wagons. Here this is only the 4th one. So we're walking the Elgin Street in Ottawa. It's like almost midnight. We're seeing the nightlife here. Because Ottawa's a pretty quiet town, so we're getting to see some cool stuff. So we get to see a lot of cool art here. Put on the flash. Really neat. Green Honda Civic SI. Here's all the Ottawa tourism shirts. Really cool. I gotta pick one of those up. How about this? How about a scooter? Oh, look at the dog. Turbo pods. Beautiful charts. Here you have the Ottawa bus. Some nice plants on display. So here's a look at the city. There's a McDonald's up here. We got a bookstore. There's a lot of comic book stores here, which is really cool. There's a lot of bookstores too. Lots of cool stuff here. Look at the little dog. One of my favorite stores, Dollarama and McDonald's. Look at that, we got a Camaro. That is a nice car there. Some more car spotting, Hyundai Genesis Coupe. Look at how beautiful this is. The church with one of the historic buildings in the back. And then here we got the Elgin, the famous street to walk through. Look at how beautiful this is. Doesn't really show up on the phone at night, but gorgeous architecture here, everything. This I can see from the hotel. I wonder what it was. And look at that. Look at this gorgeous place here. This looks like a rapper's house. This is so cool. What a beautiful design here. There's so many pretty buildings. Wow, look behind me. Look at how beautiful this is. Oh my. That's a beautiful pizza. Oh, city parking for you. Oh. What the heck? Do it again. Oh, beautiful midnight flowers. Look at this church. Look at this door. Wow. Ooh, the heads. Look at how cool this is. There's a bar and restaurant downstairs, and there's like apartments upstairs. That's kind of cool. Look at this, the Canadian Museum of Natural History. I was at the ROM, and that was huge. This is 10 times bigger than the ROM. Look at how cool this place is. This place is huge. Can I have a picture, please?